Hi everybody, join me for this beautiful sun salute little practice. We're going to learn our sun salutes together. I'm Nora Day. Here we go everybody. Here's my easy tutorial on sun salute A. Lift your arms up. Exhale, fold forward with straight legs. Holding the backs of your legs or holding onto the mat. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold in half. Hands come down, step one leg back, step the other leg back. Come take a push-up. Halfway down, flip a foot, press down to lift, nice and strong body, open the heart, open the chest. Drop your head, tuck your toes, lift your bum, straight legs, straight arms. Take a mini step forward, downward facing dog, 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, chest back to your thighs. Inhale, chest back to your thighs. Can you root in your heels? 3rd breath. Inhale, exhale, drop your head, dangle your head. 4th breath. Inhale, exhale. Last breath. Inhale, straight arms, straight legs. Exhale. Look forward. Step one leg all the way to the front, one big step. Step the other leg all the way to the front, one big step. Inhale, look forward, feet slightly apart. Exhale, fold in half, either hands on your legs or hands on the mat. Press down to go up. Straight legs. Inhale the arms. Look up. Exhale, release your arms. Come into your prayer pose. That's one full cycle of sun salute A. Practice these with your rhythm and you will be an amazing yogi. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more videos like this, go to yoginora.com.